What you're going to watch is a short clip of our 1 hour full podcast. What we have done is we have picked up one small topic of interest so that you can just focus on that particular topic. But you can still watch the full podcast at the screen. A link is given. So there is a lot of talk about AI agents. Okay, let's start with from the scratch. So what are AI agents actually?
So, before going towards an AI agent, so I would like to highlight the artificial intelligence aspect, as artificial intelligence has become a priority more to all the organizations, and all the organizations are trying to implement the AI part to their problems and finding the solutions. So we start they have some kind of algorithms, and they have the different neural networks and all. So if then the latest addition was the large language models. So AI agents mainly work onto these large language models. So fundamentally, it's a neural network. So it has a huge capability. So where it can work on its own, it can adapt, it can think, and it can deliver the solutions. So without any human intervention. So it's more towards an I would say it has an autonomy, and it's a goal oriented, and it has a memory where it can think on the whatever the instructions it is given, and it can think on whatever the past interactions it has been done and deliver the solutions. So if I give an example of how these AI agents are different. So if I consider the example of an Google Map so it's a AI powered application. So it gives you the routes, but even if you try to change the routes, it will give you the alternate routes. Right. So wherein AI agents built on a Google Map platform, so it will help us to identify the goal. So let's say I want to drive to a particular destination there, and I'm telling the AI agents that I want to have the fastest route, avoiding the traffic, tolls, and also stop me for the fueling. So it will figure out what is the goal, and it will give me the best solution options, which are the alternate routes available, and also it will tell me the part. So when you are going to stop it. So these are the capabilities and the factors. Those are making AI agents more into the market. We can say a buzzword into the market.
Okay, just a related question. So there are two words: AI agents,
yes,
and agentic AI.
Right.
Are they similar or they are different?
I would say those are absolutely different, but those are relatable terms. So AI agents are being designed to do a specific task. As I've said, you have a specific task, a specific domain. You have built up an AI agent. So it is doing it on your own. So I would consider it's like an employee or a particular member from a team who is performing on its own. Okay, with an autonomy. Whereas in agentic AI, what I would say it has the whole responsibility. So going further step, right, it would act as a project manager. So it will also have a workflows. It will also have the different applications connecting, and also it will have different AI agents working together. So like a project manager plans, coordinates, take strategic decisions. So agentic AI is the entire part. So I would say to brief in just to make it more relevant to our viewers. So it would be AI agents is like a team member who is performing, and agentic AI is like a captain or a coach who is trying to plan, strategize, and take actions for winning up the team.
Now, how does the AI agent work? Just in simple terms, what are the things which happen behind the scenes?
Now, when we talk about about AI or Gen AI, so it's not only related to ChatGPT or Claude AI or Gemini and all. It's beyond that one. Because when I give some kind of instruction, suppose let's say I want to reset my password. So ChatGPT or Gen AI will give me the steps, only the instruction. So it will limit it to its till there. But AI agents will further go ahead on your behalf, and it will plan, it will understand your goal. Yes, it will break down the task into different smaller tasks. And so it needs permissions now. Okay, now it has different building blocks. Okay, so the first block I would say the inputs that is received from the user, and then it has a memory part, so where it is going to store all the instructions from the user. Then the third part I would say it's a reasoning part. It's a LLM models. So AI agents mainly work onto the different LLMs models. So we have seen different LLM models coming up. So it will, where these LLM models will have the capability to break these tasks, complex tasks into smaller one, and gives plan and strategize and gives some kind of actions. Now these actions have been executed using some tools. So those tools could be like API, it could be any applications. They need to interact, and then it will execute those tasks by interaction. And finally, the all things, like even a human being works on a feedback mechanism, try to improve. So even AI agents has a feedback mechanism. So they try to improvise their result depending on whatever current thing, the past results, and to improvise their action. So this is the whole how the AI agents will work on.